What's up, everybody? I want you to first, before I drop the gems, the knowledge, the diamonds, the alley-oops, the passes, the dunks, the goals, I want you to like, subscribe, and comment because these are amazing, valuable knowledge, power, currencies, power, if you have the right currency. And we have, you have the access to the most almighty currency, me. I want you to like, subscribe, comment, basically. That's pretty much it. But let me just tell you something. You see, I'm gonna be real with you. Not just like all these other YouTubers, not like all these other influencers. I'm gonna tell you how it is. I'm gonna tell you straight up. I'm gonna tell you the risk. I'm gonna tell you the reward. Because my last couple of videos has been on the rewards. Wait, I'm just gonna sip on my tea. So good. And you just see everybody talk about make money this, flip this, 100x this, 10x this. But I'm gonna tell you the truth, which is the dark side. The dark side on NFTs. You see, there's different layers to it. Now, you have to understand that with anything, there's going to be risk and reward. But I'm telling you the most important issue with NFTs right now. Let's say you buy a project. Let's Galactic Apes, okay? The floor is down. Okay. See? 0.88 is the floor price right now. And let's say you just randomly bought an NFT. Now, just like an asset, we'll classify this as an asset. Okay? Now, when you buy an asset, there's different kinds. There's assets that you can make money right away. For example, stocks. As in, it's easy to sell. Cryptocurrency. See, if you go on, let's say, bam. Let's say we buy Ethereum. Okay, let's say we buy one Bitcoin. And it goes higher and higher and higher. You can sell that right away. You don't have to wait for a buyer. You don't have to wait for the time. But obviously timing is important, but you don't have to wait to find the right buyer who's going to be willing to pay for that specific coin. It's very liquid. And you have access to it. It gives you power. It gives you also freedom and flexibility. Now let's say you buy an NFT. You buy one of these. Oh, this one looks cool. Whoa, this one. Multicolored. Everybody's into that one. Whoa. Okay, let's say this one looks intense. It's like a cyborg monkey in a suit that has fangs. And this kind of reminds me of like Japanese style mask. Okay, let's say you buy this. All right, 1.53 ETH. Okay, let's say you buy that now. Click this, and we go buy now. Now, you have this asset, and you want to sell it. What are you going to do? Can you sell it right away? No. And here's the dark side of NFTs. You have to find a buyer, or there has to be a buyer that's going to see a lot of value, and it could be a lot of value in terms of getting into the project, or they see a value in pricing, or they really like a particular part of an NFT. It could be the utility, it could be the tool, it could be the community. So there's different ingredients, right? Your buyer has to have a check mark in all of those in order for you to sell this. Now, if you want to sell it right away, you can go below your current price. You can go below your current floor price, and you'll be able to find a buyer right away. They have the power now. If you do that, they have the power. You see, I hope you understand the difference between these platforms and the assets and how flexible and versatile they are. One, you can sell right away and have liquidity, meaning cash. For some people, that is a big advantage. When it comes to NFTs, you don't have that opportunity to sell it right away. If we were to buy Bitcoin now, we can sell it tomorrow, the next day, the day after, 1 year from now, 1 month, 10 years from now. I'm just using Bitcoin as an example. But when it comes to NFT, let's say you buy this, you can only sell it if there is a buyer willing to purchase and sees value, or I would say interested in this particular item, project, utility, tools. You get my point. You see here? Let's just use the no activities. Everybody's just asking. So I don't know if this person might be, he's selling it for 1.53. Oh, he got it from Mint. Okay. I don't know what the Mint price is. But he minted it, and now he's selling it for 1.53. Now the floor price is 0.0. It's a little bit laggy today. Let's see what this guy's holding. 0.88. That's the floor price. So that is advantages and disadvantages of different markets. Now, you choose in terms of what you're willing to trade off. You choose in terms of what you want to do. Are you okay for holding long term, or not being, well, this one looks really cool, I like this one? Are you okay of not being liquid? And if you're looking for the long run, you see, there's I'm not gonna click profile. I don't want you to see my wallet, but there's projects that I don't mind holding, and I got I have just been confirmed. Remember, I made a video of the divine anarchy Twitter. I made a video. So here's the good news. I made a video about getting into the whitelist for this. And this project is gonna be hot. Hot, 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 hot. Okay. It's huge. If you don't know Asset Better, you will get to know him. But this project is hot. You can see 30K followers, very active community, trailer. Who's ready for? That's nice. So the good news is that I have just been approved on the whitelist, so I will be able to mint these before it goes on sale, public sale. Now, I hope you are watching this project because it's seriously going to crush it. I don't really advertise a lot of projects or promote but first, I have no affiliation. I have no financial gains from saying this. Just like how I said Dogepound is going to be exploding, right? So these are the things that you should be paying attention to. I have just been on the whitelist. My name is confirmed. It's on the whitelist, and tomorrow, November 2, I will be able to mint maximum 3 Divine Anarchy. Now, I'll probably sell 1 or 2 and then hold. Depending on what the floor is, depending on how it goes up. But I will basically see what's going on, and then I will make my decision. As you can see, this is followed by the Dodge Pound. Alright, look at this community. Ooh, almost 100K followers. And they're actually doing their Halloween drop. It got delayed again. But hopefully it will be fixed. See, delayed. I just mentioned it. Delayed. See, you have to be active. You have to follow what's going on in a project, and I know it's time consuming, but listen, you don't want to put in the work, you're not going to get no money. So you put in the work, you do your research, and you will reap the rewards. Or you can just listen to me and you'll reap the rewards too. But these are being dropped, so get involved with the community. I'm pretty active in their Discord. I just pop in, see what's going on, see what people are talking about, build relationships, talk to people, see what people are talking about, and sometimes you'll find about good projects. There's some smart people in the Discord, and you'll find good projects. Ow! Say it with me. Say it with me. Ow! If you have a Dodge Pound, comment ow in the comment section. But I think they're going to do So they were talked about doing a Vegas party once they hit a number of people. So it looks like it's going down. So that's all I wanted to say. Um, dark side. Now you understand the risk and the reward about being in different platforms, what to do, minimize the risk, and more importantly, know what you're getting yourself into. Educate yourself. If you don't want to, then I don't know how you're going to survive, because this market changes really fast, very fast, seconds, right? If you're ahead of the curve, if you have, I wouldn't say insider information, but close enough, you have a good information, then you're going to be able to get ahead of everybody. More importantly, work smart and get ahead of the system. All right. If you're listening, comment, subscribe, smash that like button. Let's win together. Let's continue to be champions. All right. My goal is to help you make six figures just from watching my YouTube channel. Listen, I'm not selling no course. I can, based on my experience, based on my knowledge, and based on what I've done. But I'm not here. I'm trying. This is my long-term goal for this project. Not the Lactic 8 project, but with this YouTube. Have a lot of people trust, believe, and connect with what I'm doing, so that when I released an NFT, the community will be a part of what I'm creating. That's pretty much it. All right, that's it. I have lots of other videos. You should watch it. Watch it. Binge watch it. That should be enough for you to know. That should be enough for you to get started and learn the basics of NFTs. And this is just included in that basic part. That's why I'm creating the basic first before I get into the advanced level. But step after step, we get ahead. All right, let's get ahead together. Welcome. If you're first time listening to this, welcome to the army of beast, amazing, wonderful people. The community is strong. I should really create a Discord channel, but I'm not really focused on that right now. I just focus on YouTube. Well, I'm actually not focused on YouTube. I'm focused on other things. Then, once I get time here and there, I'll create some YouTube. That's it for me. Peace.